This makes it really easy because when you start building a lot of different things inside of ClickUp, you're going to have many different layers. And we don't want to rely on our sidebar navigation because it's just really slow and a bit cumbersome. So there are actually 3 different options for breadcrumbs in ClickUp. So I'm going to show you what those look like and where they exist. So the first one is inside of any view that summarizes other lists and folders. So when I say that, I mean like if you're inside of the everything view, if you're inside of a space, if you're inside of a folder, when you're bringing information from multiple places into one, this is really helpful to avoid, again, using that sidebar navigation. So I want to be able to jump to a list, a folder, or a space without having to go to the sidebar. So here inside of this view that you're looking at, you can see here are the tasks that I have, but they're above them is the list, the folder, and the space that they're a part of. And I can very easily just click into that space or that folder or that list, and immediately I move to that view without having to use the sidebar. Now, this isn't something that shows up automatically. You actually have to add this in to your view settings. And you can do that by inside of any view coming over to this customize option. And there are these 2 options, toggle menu on or off, called show task location and show subtask parent name. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when they're off, because this is typically what you will look like when you don't have these things, like when you don't have any extra customizations added to ClickUp, this is what it looks like. And you can see very quickly once I add them, how handy this is, not just for navigation, but also for context. So I can see what lists, what folders, what spaces these tasks are a part of. So that's the first part or first area where you can utilize these breadcrumbs. The second is actually inside of a task. So if I open a task, at the very top, we have the exact same hierarchy options above. So I can, again, tell what the list, the folder, and the space is, but I can also click to it from here. Super easy. Now, the third is when we're talking about subtasks. So if you're inside of a subtask and it's a part of a parent task or a project, whatever you refer to it as, at the very top of the subtask is here the name of the project, and I can click and be inside of that project in one click. Again, these are all just like quick little time-saving shortcuts of how to navigate around without having to utilize your sidebar, and it saves you a lot of time in the end. So that is the navigation breadcrumbs.